Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the planted area and adding about 10% overlap so the netting reaches stakes. Lay the net flat and identify wind direction. This prevents gaps. Secure one long edge with stakes every 3-4 feet, pushing stakes just outside the soil line so roots aren't disturbed. Once anchored, pull the net taut but not stretched to avoid tearing. Make sure you have clips and twine ready for the next phase. You now drape the net over the stakes, creating a gentle hoop, so plants have about 6 inches of clearance. This prevents contact that can cause disease. Work around corners and fasten the net to each stake with clips, then run twine along the base to seal against crawling pests. Once done, make a simple access flap. Overlap netting and secure with toggles or a zip tie so you can water and harvest without removing the whole cover. To finish, weigh down all edges with soil, rocks, or sandbags and check tension so wind won't blow the net in. You should inspect seams after heavy weather. If the net sagged, retension and replace any torn sections immediately to maintain protection. If pests still get in, you likely have a gap. Inspect corners and access points, then either tighten seams or swap to a finer mesh. This step prevents repeated breaches and protects yields.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.